What's going on, guys? This is Alex over here at My Freedom Smokes, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new smoke kit we've gotten in. It's the X8 stick kit, or a stick X8 kit, whichever you like to prefer. I just feel that the number should go before stick. Anyway, this is actually a pretty cool little mod. Looks rather similar to a few of the others we've gotten in. But before we go into that, let's take a look inside the box, see all we get with it. So with the actual battery, which is the X8 battery, you do get the TFV8 X-baby tank, and one coil is already pre-installed. You do get an extra one inside the box. This extra one is a 0.13, so that would mean that the other one that I've got in here is the 0.25. That one is going to be a dual coil, and this is actually a quad coil, which means that there's quite a few of them in there, and if you look, you can kind of see it down in there. So there's quite a few of the coils within this replacement head. Underneath the little foam cutout, you're going to get your micro USB cable, which does plug in right here on the back, like so. And there is there's a little button, a little light right here on the right underneath the port, and that's going to tell you either green or red, let you know when you're fully charged. And aside from your warranty cards and instruction manual, you also get some additional O-rings just in case, you know, unscrewing the cap on this over and over and putting different replacement coils in, because sometimes they can really wear down those replacement O-rings. So they did put a few in here just in case you wind up wearing them down. So that is all the extra goodies you get with it. Performance-wise, I really do like this one, and I do tend to stick away from the all-in-one units like this because it feels like the battery just isn't strong enough sometimes. This battery definitely is. It has no problem at all pushing this 0.25 coil in here, and it really chucks some clouds. Really good amount. Yeah, they seem to be pairing this tank and the regular beast with a lot of different stuff for good reason. You're getting a lot of good flavor, you're getting really good cloud production that you see, and just all in all, they seem to have, Smokes really seem to have gotten a good thing going with this tank. So I'm kind of glad they wound up pairing it with a lot of the different units they bring in now. Right here on the side, you do have your airflow control, and that's going to be at the tip top. You've been seeing a couple different tanks now kind of utilize doing it up here instead of at the bottom. I personally don't see a big difference, but if they feel that's something they need to do, then I'm just going to trust them because it seems to be working really well. Yeah, this kit is definitely not a mouth-to-lung unit. This is a direct-to-lung unit, which essentially means that you're going to be inhaling the vapor all the way into your lungs instead of pulling it into your mouth and then into your lungs and out. So, like this. So that is what a straight direct-to-lung inhale looks like. So this is definitely going to be for the people that prefer a good amount of clouds, but something that's going to be a bit more portable and you really don't care about adjustable features, as this is going to be one that reads directly from the resistance of the coil. You do not have any sort of, you know, adjustability functions on this, but you don't need it. All in all, I think it's a great little unit. I definitely recommend picking one up, especially if you're going to be on a long car trip. It's not too big, it's not too heavy, just to be able to throw in your purse or your book bag. But this is even a nice little sit at home, you know, relax kind of mod. There's really not many things I can say that's wrong about this. It's just a good little all-in-one kit. So if you do have any questions about this or anything else we sell, just leave a comment below. And until next time, thank you for vaping.